Gentlemen, let me ask you something deeply personal. Are you waking up tired even after what should have been a full night's sleep? Do you notice your erections aren't quite as strong or as frequent as they once were? Or perhaps your vital energy just feels like it's slowly leaking away, little by little, day after day? If any of that sounds familiar, then I need you to stay with me for a moment, because what I'm about to share isn't just some normal, unavoidable part of getting older. This isn't just father time catching up, it's a critical red flag your body is waving, a quiet but urgent warning that something absolutely essential might be missing from your system. And here's the truly exciting, empowering part. Fixing it doesn't require expensive drugs, risky procedures, or turning your entire life upside down. Sometimes the solution comes down to one simple, profoundly effective nutrient, taken at precisely the right time of day. It's a game changer that can dramatically improve your life without complexity or danger. And if you're not aware of it, you could be missing out on a future filled with renewed energy and vitality. So many men over 60 often tell me with a sigh of resignation, "Doctor, I guess this is just what happens when you get older." And I always stop them right there because, with all due respect, no, it is not just your age. When you're constantly exhausted, when erections begin to weaken, when your desire fades or your quality of sleep deteriorates, that's not simply nature gracefully running its course. What's actually happening is that your body's incredibly intricate nightly recovery system, a system crucial for every aspect of your masculine health, is starting to break down. You see, nighttime isn't just about closing your eyes and drifting off into unconsciousness. It's a period of intense, vital activity. It's when your body meticulously resets itself, when testosterone production naturally peaks, when the tiny blood vessels in your penis regenerate and expand, when your prostate calms itself and reduces inflammation, and when your mitochondria, those tiny power plants within your cells, recharge to ensure you wake up strong, alert, and ready to seize the day. If this intricate nocturnal system fails, the first places to visibly collapse are often your virility, your energy levels, and the fundamental quality of your sleep. But here's the good news. This decline is absolutely not irreversible, and more often than not, it boils down to one incredibly overlooked vitamin or mineral that almost every man over 60 is critically deficient in. For those of you who might be new here, my name is Dr. William Lee, and I'm a board-certified urologist and men's health physician with over 12 years of extensive clinical experience. I've had the privilege of sitting across from thousands of men, many of them in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s, who truly believed their best days, their days of strength and passion, were firmly behind them. And time again, I've witnessed how simply restoring certain fundamental building blocks, especially those related to optimizing sleep and nighttime recovery, can dramatically reignite confidence, intimacy, and profound energy in ways they truly thought were gone for good. Today, I'm going to walk you through that one single essential nutrient that provides critical support for your erections, your testosterone levels, and your sleep, all simultaneously. We'll also uncover the three biggest, most common mistakes men make when trying to incorporate it, and crucially, how to use it correctly so you can start waking up truly rested, powerfully energized, and feeling significantly more vital than you have in years. So let's cut straight to it. The number one mineral most men over 50 are critically missing is magnesium. Why does this fundamental truth matter so profoundly to your well-being? Biologically, magnesium serves as the essential calm down switch for your entire nervous system. Without a sufficient supply, your body inadvertently stays trapped in a perpetual state of alert mode. While you might physically fall asleep, you rarely, if ever, achieve the truly deep restorative sleep necessary for proper cellular repair and hormonal balance. Emotionally, this pervasive deficiency manifests itself as waking up perpetually foggy, feeling irritable, burdened, and frankly discouraged before your day even truly begins. And let's be brutally honest for a moment. When you're utterly exhausted, true intimacy feels less like a joyous connection and more like an inconvenient chore. On a practical level, over an extended period, this chronic magnesium deficiency starts to subtly show up as weakening erections, frustrating nighttime trips to the bathroom that disrupt your rest, irritating restless legs that prevent deep sleep, and that pervasive feeling of waking up absolutely convinced you never actually slept at all. So if you're experiencing increasingly restless nights and fewer vibrant morning erections, don't simply chalk it up to getting old. It could very well be magnesium silently slipping away, quietly eroding your vitality. The next critical error many men unwittingly make is choosing the entirely wrong form of magnesium. Here's where so many intelligent gentlemen unfortunately waste their hard-earned money and time. They might walk into a local pharmacy, instinctively grab the cheapest bottle boldly labeled magnesium oxide, and mistakenly believe they found their solution. But this is a big mistake, and an incredibly common one. Magnesium oxide, while readily available, possesses remarkably poor absorption rates. It primarily serves as a laxative, often causing stomach upset and diarrhea, without truly delivering the profound benefits your body actually needs. For men over 60, the forms of magnesium that genuinely matter and deliver impactful results are specific and highly effective. Magnesium glycinate, for instance, works directly on your parasympathetic nervous system, meticulously helping you relax, gently loosening tense muscles, and easing you into significantly deeper, more restorative sleep. Crucially, it also subtly dilates blood vessels, laying a foundational physiological groundwork for stronger, more robust morning erections. Then there's magnesium L-threonate, a highly specialized form designed to uniquely cross the brain-blood barrier. This allows it to directly calm racing thoughts, effectively reduce frustrating nighttime anxiety, and notably sharpen both memory and cognitive focus. When your overarching goals are better sleep, significantly improved erections, and a restored, vibrant sense of masculine vigor, these are unequivocally the forms that genuinely count. Another significant pitfall lies in taking magnesium at the incorrect time of day. Timing in this instance truly is everything. Remember, magnesium functions as a powerful calming agent. It effectively signals to your body and mind that it's safe to fully rest and recover. Therefore, if you mistakenly take it in the morning, you're likely to experience unwelcome sluggishness. And perhaps more importantly, you'll completely miss out on the very nighttime recovery benefits you so desperately need. The absolute best time to take magnesium for optimal impact is precisely 30 to 60 minutes before you intend to go to bed. Pair it with a calming ritual, perhaps warm water or a soothing cup of chamomile tea. Dim the lights, put away your phone and any other stimulating screens, and consciously give your body the unmistakable signal that it's time to quiet down and truly rest. Do this consistently, night after night, and your body will begin its profound process of resetting and rejuvenating itself. Finally, and this one is absolutely critical, is the mistake of expecting instant results. Magnesium does not function like caffeine, giving you an immediate jolt, or like a blue pill providing immediate effects. Instead, its power lies in its cumulative action, working gradually and powerfully, night after night, laying down layer after restorative layer. Most men begin to notice tangible improvements within the first few nights. They often report falling asleep faster and experiencing a noticeably deeper sense of relaxation. By the end of week 1, the benefits expand significantly. You might experience more consistent energy in the mornings, fewer disruptive nighttime bathroom trips, and yes, stronger, more reliable morning erections. After just 2 consistent weeks of integrating magnesium into your routine, many report achieving a solid 6 to 8 hours of truly restorative sleep, enjoying a calmer, more even mood, experiencing clearer mental focus throughout their day, and feeling a natural, invigorating lift in their libido. The key word here, absolutely central to success, is consistency. Missing nights means you lose precious momentum, hindering the profound progress your body is capable of making. To effectively put this powerful strategy into action, consistently choose the right type. Look specifically for magnesium glycinate or magnesium L-threonate. Start with the right dose, typically around 200 milliliters of glycinate or 1 gram of L-threonate, and adjust gently as needed for optimal results. Establish a dedicated bedtime routine, lights down, no screens, magnesium with warm water, and in bed within an hour. You can even stack it smartly, pairing magnesium with zinc and vitamin B6, a popular combination often referred to as ZMA, for even stronger synergistic effects on testosterone production, crucial muscle recovery, and overall libido. And for a truly impactful bonus tip, consider pairing it with gentle, mindful nighttime stretching. When you consciously ease muscle tension before bed, magnesium is able to work even more effectively, enhancing your overall relaxation and restorative sleep. Now, let me pause for a deeply important moment. If you're sitting there, listening to all this, and a part of you is thinking, Doctor, I feel like I've already lost too much ground. Maybe it's truly too late for me to regain any of this. I need you to hear me clearly, right now. It is absolutely not too late. I have personally witnessed men in their late 70s, even early 80s, who once thought intimacy, energy, and genuine connection were gone forever, only to rediscover a profound sense of purpose, revitalized confidence, and sheer joy once their fundamental sleep and essential recovery systems were effectively restored. This isn't merely about chasing youth, it's about something far more meaningful. It's about restoring your dignity, your personal freedom, and that incredible, irreplaceable ability to wake up each and every morning feeling genuinely ready for life's new possibilities. Gentlemen, hear this vital truth. Fatigue, profoundly poor sleep, and fading erections are not inevitable, predestined signs of simply getting older. They are, far more often, tangible signs of an underlying deficiency, and deficiencies, thankfully, can be fixed. Your remarkable body still possesses the innate ability to be strong, to be vibrant, and to experience profound intimacy, but it urgently needs your conscious partnership. It needs you to actively provide it with the right tools, beginning tonight, starting at night, to unlock that dormant potential. So tonight, I urge you, take that empowering step. Support your invaluable sleep, support your critical recovery, support your profound masculinity. Because when you genuinely do that, you don't merely change your nights, you change your days, you profoundly change your relationships, and you truly redefine your future. If this video has resonated with you and offered some valuable insight, please do me and every man seeking answers a great favor by liking it so that more men can easily find this crucial message. Drop a comment below. Tell me where in the world you're watching from. I absolutely love seeing the vibrant, supportive community we're building worldwide. And please hit that subscribe button to Dr. William Lee Men's Health for more targeted, evidence-based guidance designed specifically for men like you. You absolutely deserve confidence. You absolutely deserve unwavering energy. You absolutely deserve truly restful sleep and an intimacy that feels vibrantly alive again. I'm Dr. William Lee, and as always, please take exquisite care of your health because you are worth it.